things I have to do on my end. Well, they really didn't go anywhere with it, huh?
Mm-mm.
Still getting interested in this GC short or MGC. I would do it in MGC. Yeah, I'm actually starting to really think about that one, Paul.
Which one? GC
Yeah,
or
I would do
MGC?
it on MGC. I'm not gonna do it on GC. It's
Yeah.
too big on GC.
So below maybe 7,
That's what
7.2,
I'm trying to figure out right
7.2.
now. I mean, that low's 8, and then if it broke,
Here
I
comes
mean,
the Q. Watch this NQ, and they're going to push this thing up. You
okay,
watch. It's going to push up.
we're not taking the long, are we?
I don't know. See, that's what I'm thinking about. Maybe a breakout of that London level right there would be a nice little run up above
That low
28.
there, yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
let's just be patient. I'll be patient. Let's not take breakout as our first. Let's get a
Well,
setup.
it's not our first trade, but first trade after
Well, that's
breakout.
true, technically. I mean,
Technically,
you could take it if you're
I'm not
interested.
gonna
We could
do
take
it.
it 26.50 long,
I don't.
26.75.
I
It is
think
a
the
long,
smart man
and
thing is to wait for the short, though, Paul.
yeah, it is definitely a short. It would be counter.
I mean, again, ES is setting up for a decent little short here. Do we do it? That's it. I mean, ooh, we missed it.
Yeah, a short.
Golly, man.
Because you're
Golly,
shorting.
man. I should press the sell market button on that one. Maybe they're not done. Maybe they're not done. That would have been a decent little trade. GC got me distracted. All right, that's the low. That low is so it's 3-1 or um 8. So 3 or 8 would be the entry on GC or
One,
MGC
3,
or 8. I like 8 if we're doing MGC. That
7
gives us
point. Is that 8 or 7.7?
yeah. Let's put that in on the
Okay.
MGC. I like 3. 3 should be a decent.
You want to do 3 below the.
Yeah, below that little.
Oh,
Because then if it go well, never mind.
oh, 7 was an entry, I think.
Yeah, I think that was the entry. I think you had it at 7. That was it. That was the. That was the. That
That's
was
fine.
the entry.
This NQ is going to go up.
I don't know what.
Here comes your NQ long.
All right. Well, you tell me. Do we think the breakout above that London level or no? ES is trying to do
Yeah,
it as well.
yeah. You
Same
got to. I
area.
think we got to take this.
Say when.
Win.
When. When?
Oh shoot!
You got me all. Okay. Target off. Nice
Target
little.
off.
Nice little win.
Target
Shoot.
off, people.
Oh
I told
man, I
you.
made $600 that fast. Sugar
I
biscuits.
told you. Hope you guys got that. That's all that thing's setting up.
Fast.
I know. Yeah. You had to
For
do it right. You should have pushed the button right when I said win.
I should have. I should have. I should have tried to manage my target there.
We're here looking at this GC. Almost missed that. Yeah, I got my targets too, real quick. Like $600 in a snap.
I am not upset with that one. Well, that should have been an easy call to follow. Win. Okay, let's go.
I mean, you said say win. I said win.
Say
It's like
win.
there you go. I don't know what else you want. Can't make it any more clear than that.
Oh man, I ate. I ate
Caught
something.
250. Good job, Tom.
Had to eat. Why don't you just use the same ATM as us, Tom, and you get
Yeah,
$600
we need to
trade?
get. You need. Do you have our ATMs, Tom?
Use the same ATM. That's a $600
'Cause
trade,
that'd have
buddy.
been a quick $600 trade, man. It was like snap.
These are um, cur- we have our ATMs in the education
Oh, that's
channel,
right. Yeah.
Kira. Do we do it again? I don't. Do we do that? Go to the well too many times? Don't do
No,
that. No.
not now.
Let's wait this
Not
time.
now. Let's just wait. It's
Wait
gonna
for the
let, now
short.
we
Let's wait
look
for the
for the dump.
short.
Let them
Yeah,
push it
wait for the
up now, and
short.
we'll catch the short. Yeah. I mean, if you're not still in this, I wish I was still in it. I wish I'd have got my stop out of the way, but
If I get my target out of the way, yeah.
or
I
target
would
out
have
of the
at
way.
least
Yeah.
put my target at the pivot.
But I mean, yeah, if somebody's still in this, hold this because it's gonna creep
You
up here, and
got,
then they're gonna.
yeah, you got. Well, you got a couple more ticks, maybe 811. Got a couple more ticks in it. That's all right. I'm good with that.
F
So I switched this
Kiera, F
channel for
Kiera.
you.
Okay, what does that mean? Kiera, did you get
No,
did
I
you
said
get that?
education
Is that?
channel.
Oh, gotcha.
Well, my goodness, every account screen already this morning. Look at that. Howdy doody.
Yeah, a lot of garbage right here. I mean, it might be an area to look for a short on.
Oh, I gotta set those three accounts up. Dang it. I guess I'll do that night when I get settled in. I still like this GC short, but you kind of have to do it below three, don't you? Or MGC. I still think
Oh
MGC is
yeah,
gonna
here.
break down. I still think it's gonna break down.
Oh, we keep me posted on that. If you want to take it, we'll take it.
I think I'm gonna
I
put a
think
sell stop in at like
that
2.7. Yeah, 2.7 sell stop. It should gain enough momentum to take off at that point. Okay, now we're looking for the shorts from the ES and NQ. Real quick, if you guys want my NQ ATM, here it is. Anybody looking? If you guys want to take a screenshot of
take a
that, it's
screenshot of
right there,
that.
real quick. But it's in the education channel as well. Um, and then there's a
Damn,
trailing, auto break even,
I
27
wish I'd have
negative
got my.
17, just to lock in some stuff. What'd you say?
I said I wish I'd have got my stop out of my target out of the way
Target.
on that
Me
trade.
too. I couldn't get it fast enough. Although here, I think we need to be looking for the short pretty soon.
Yeah. Oh, I'm in the GC now. Are
Me
you in the
too.
GC
Yep. MGC.
or MGC? That's what I
Yeah.
meant.
That should create.
Let
That
me
should have
make
enough
sure. Am I in
momentum now to
MGC?
push
Yeah,
back
I'm
up
in
and grab that
MGC.
target. I mean, the target should be around S3. If it pushes back up this time, I'm gonna stay away from MGC. That should be the breakout right there. I know you just got S3 in a way, but that shouldn't be much.
It should break this.
No, that says it should break. All right, let's think. If this
Nope.
pushes up and makes a, if this pushes up on the ES, okay, here we go,
Damn it.
and the NQ. If this candle stays here on the NQ, that's a big time sell, right?
Yeah, it's setting up.
That's
This is yesterday's close. Yeah, this
see
is
sell
a
stop right there, and
sell stop below. But if
it's got to come down though. It's got to finish there. There's only 200 ticks left. It's not going to. Nope, never mind.
uh, this is still a long.
Cancel that puppy. All right, we should bot that.
Now, here's another thought, which is going to be contrary, but a break above this 24.25 on the NQ might be another way to get in on another long.
4.25.
If it hold off on that. Give me a second. Let me see something
Let
else.
me look at this level.
Globex. You got the Globex high just above that at 20. Uh, got a lot of stuff right here. This might be a better short.
I like it as a short. I'm leaving that sell
Mm,
stop in there.
I'm going to do it with you.
I like that as a short. I really do. Um, it's not my favorite level, but it would be back through the pivot. If it can stay, if this candle stays here, then we're good. Um, I would have liked to seen it up here around R1 though. That's where I was thinking we would get that short from. Did it feel me?
Yeah, that was a
Actually,
quick
just one
loss.
ticked me.
Yeah, that took me out. Damn it.
It didn't
I
feel.
didn't.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
I knew.
didn't feel it. I was maybe a couple
It
ticks
got
too
me.
loose.
Turned around, took my stop.
That was fast.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I was a couple ticks too loose then. Good for
Yeah,
me.
that was a quick 60 ticks. Yeah, good for you. It's a long.
Yeah. I can't buy it with that swing. That Globex high there. You know, I want to see the short up here. R1. I think I'd rather have that. There's a lot of contracts being traded right here, though, Paul.
Yeah.
The okay, this is one of those situations where the large tick chart says the breakout's the way to go either way now, doesn't it?
Yeah. I mean, for me,
I
it's
mean, if
got to
we're
get
really
above
looking
this
at this, you
20.
could have a buy stop above and a sell stop below now, right?
The only problem is there's a lot of junk right here. I mean, here comes the sell again, I guess.
They're trying
I
to
don't
move
know.
it.
Try it again, I guess. Let's try it again. I'll try it again. See what happens.
Should get my target pretty quick. Let's get rid of that. If it doesn't take my target, I'm not gonna let this eat me though. If it doesn't take my target, I'm gonna get out of this puppy. And that's below the pivot. That I can't do it. I can't do it. This is crap. I'm not gonna give my money back. I'll take a $177 loss and move on. What do you think?
Yeah, for
I got
sure.
out of it. That's no. All right, we sit on the sidelines for this. So now we gotta think that's the buy, like you said earlier. But if it goes without me, I'm fine with that, right? Screw this. I don't want to be in this.
I'm telling you, this is above this 24, whatever I said it was, 24 and a quarter. If it gets above that, it's going to go. It's going to run again. But
Oh
well,
man,
here
I
comes your
really want
short.
to be in
Third
that. I
time's the
know.
charm.
I wanted to be in that short, but
Third
it was
time's the
too.
charm.
That was too hard to stay in, man. That's just too hard for me to stay in.
No, I totally
I'm
agree.
not.
I
I'm not
totally agree.
fancy.
I
You
totally agree.
disagree with me or agree? I'm not gonna take
No,
that.
no, no. That one's. I agree with you on that. That was too hard to stay in that.
Yeah, I don't. That's not my cup of tea right there. And I saved
It's all
myself for
right.
another
We'll get another.
trade.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. We'll get another trade.
I can't. I can't chew that account up. And those of you that are newer to us, by the
RTY
way,
and
we
VY.
rotate through our accounts, so we don't. If we hit our max loss on one account, we're done with that for a day. Or we hit our max gain. If we hit a gain on, I'm done with one account at $600 and something dollars.
Yeah,
We rotate our
it's the
accounts so
way
that
we.
we manage our risk.
That's how you don't. Yep, it's how you don't blow your accounts.
So you don't blow stuff up.
You
Genius,
don't
huh?
blow
It's
things up.
genius, isn't it,
You don't
Kira?
blow
I'm just
things up.
kidding. Navy veteran. Hey, thank you for your service, Navy veteran.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you for your service. Thank you very much. You get the Elvis thank you this morning. Thank you very much. That
There's
was
your
a short. I
damn
knew it
short.
was coming. I
That
just
was just
it was so hard to
third
stay
time
in,
was a
man.
charm,
It was
right?
so hard to stay in, dude.
Third time
Ugh,
was a charm.
that was really hard to stay in. I mean, the only other spot we could have been in this thing would have been behind this candle back here. That one that formed at 935. And that would have been a low of 742. So we'd have been in like, but that would have ran us at that price though,
Yeah.
742. I just don't like. That's too far to me back in. I mean, also if we'd put our stop above that structure, would have been good. On both of those, you'd been good and I'd been good. You just had to the you'd had like a 9 poker factor. Well, there was a short. I don't know. Anybody grab the short? I was too chicken to stay in. I couldn't do it. I'm not gonna blow my accounts up over a trade, over one trade. I had thousands of trades here in my life, hundreds of thousands of trades in my life. I'm not gonna blow an account up over one.
Hundreds of thousands.
I mean, that's a good way to look at it. Are you willing to blow your account up over one trade? No. Okay, don't take the trade. Stay out of it. Stay away. Oh, and anybody
Break
goes
a
back and money line
VWAP.
quarterback crap out of this. Did anybody do the short? I mean, even though I didn't say in it, doesn't mean
I
you
mean, we
didn't
tried
you
it.
didn't have to.
We tried it a couple times. Took small losses
Yeah,
on.
I took a small loss. I mean, I could have. Oh, I gotta get this off that. On the other chart here, I've got I got an account that I could look at. Bingy, boongy, boongy. And the other thing that was disturbing to me on this one was the ES kept pushing higher and higher, and it stayed above the pivot there. It wasn't a clean setup on the ES, so I didn't get the super warm and fuzzy in the moment. Let this RTY swing. We're going to get a decent trade on RTY in a minute. And there was the gold short. Oh, man. It put my entry targets before I could even put it back on the
Yeah.
screen. GC did.
Gold was a winner.
Yeah, it was a winner. I should have moved my target. I would have had a way better. It'd been like $300 trade. If 6E goes any higher, I'll short that. Definitely shorten 6E if it goes any higher. Should we have thought about that long on the ES? No, we shouldn't have. Let's
No.
think shorts here, right?
Yeah, I still think we're
There is the smaller
inclined to the
tick chart short
shorts.
setting up, but I still think below these lows, we consider that sell stop.
There's your break. Oof. It's hard not to take that.
Do you want to?
No, it's no. That's not an A plus setup.
I'm gonna do
Do I
the
want to? Yes. Do I
let's
want
do
to?
the
Yes.
I'm gonna do the say win trade with Paul going forward. Say win,
Win, win.
win.
It's like push
Six
the
hundred
button,
dollars
damn
in.
it.
There's my new trading plan. The Paul trade.
Yeah, that is, well, I guess that would have worked. I should have said win on that. Oh well.
That was another $600 trade we passed on.
Mm-hmm. I'll get it.
Look at us. We don't trade.
He's scared.
I'm just trying to be professional
I
for the
ain't
most part.
scared.
Well, healthy, healthy amount of skepticism. I'm looking back at this. I just, I mean, I guess there was a trade there on the NQ. It was just hard. It was hard to get in and stay in. That's all there was to it. All right, this is where the long came from before,
Yep.
around the open. Do we think about that or just wait for the short?
It would have to be clean. Well, are you looking at ES
Both
or
ES
NQ?
and NQ. I think if it sets up, there's a trade on both of them. Both of them. But the overall picture should be shorting.
Yeah, I don't like
Do
the
we?
long right now.
Do we? Okay.
They did push it up,
Do we
just not
try to
quite as high
break
as
it
I
out on the
thought they
short
would.
side?
Uh, just doesn't. I'm not. I mean, we're in
I
that
guess
kind
it's
of gray area
yeah.
right now. I don't want to risk
It's
it.
in the middle. You're just
Yeah.
floating around in the
Those
middle
other ones,
there.
that other one was pretty clear. This one isn't as clean.
Yeah, that's true. This could go either way, really.
Right. And I just don't. This could easily bounce right here. You do got VWAP right there, so that might hold it. And the 80. You got a bunch of stuff right here. What do your wicks look like? I
Yeah.
look at your wicks.
Well, I mean, Dave, that's why I like the big tick charts. It gives you a clear you know, if you're 10-point bars on a 1 minute chart are printing there, you're going to get a different setting on the big tick chart because it doesn't care about time.
But
So
you know what? That's a good lesson what he says right there. You,
yeah,
you should always be aware of that volatility and know when you should be either standing down or switching to
if
micros.
it's if it's in your trade plan, right? Like I'm okay
Yeah.
with this in my trade plan based on what the big tick chart's doing, trading minis. But if that's too big a risk, based on price action too, if you should stand down, everybody you
Oof,
pay attention to
there
that.
it
Boom,
goes.
there's your short.
Yeah.
I was watching that happen. I was like, it was very tempting to think about. That was very very tempting.
Should bounce right here though.
And if it doesn't, we get down to these lows, then we start going back to my original plan, right? Thinking that there's
Yeah.
my short. I don't want to make a silly mistake. It's been a good morning, so
Yeah, I'm gonna be cautious. I'm green and no sense giving anything
I
back.
mean I got one account. Every account was green until that one jump out of the NQ there. I mean, if this do we? It's hard to say entertain along, isn't it? Yeah, still got to be thinking about those shorts.
Yeah.
But I mean, for Dave, that's a really good point, guys. If you're not the trader that Paul and I are, and you're newer, that's a total valid reason. Or if you're struggling to be profitable, total valid reason to go to micros or stand
Yeah.
down. No matter how you measure volatility, if the volatility is too high for you, get the heck out of the way. How about that? Hit the longs here, Paul, on the ES. It's
Yeah.
setting up. I want the short, but that's a long. I want the short. Micros are my friend. PBR says micros are my friend.
Micros work.
They do. They sure do. All right. Well, if this fails here, do we try to short here or wait for the level that I was
They
talking about?
almost got to try the short here, I think, if this fails here.
Set low. Did he? 56.
30.
It was 56.
Yeah, you almost got to try it.
Oh, well, did it take a target yet? Nope. It took a target, then took me flat.
Mine took a target and then got me.
Should try to stay in that one.
Yeah, this is one of those that'll run if you can hold it.
Especially if it breaks this low down here. You hold that puppy.
There's your area on the NQ too, where you want to.
This is the level. I would try this here,
What are you thinking?
Paul. I think
Long,
below this
long.
low, yeah, no, this short.
I
There.
mean, short on a breakout
Well,
here.
that was in our plan earlier, right? If it
Yeah, that
breaks
was in the
down
plan.
there, and then that becomes a bigger short. That was in the plan, and below here on the ES. So if that breaks, that was our
There it
plan,
is.
right?
Got to watch this long setting up, but yeah,
Nope.
there it
No,
is.
you don't.
As I say,
There she blows.
scratch that thought.
Still
Scratch
give me a
that thought.
target. Oh, go. Now go. I got a lot going on here.
Yeah.
25 MQ short. Okay. Three different. Hold on a second. Go, baby. Go down. Don't take my target. Don't. Get. Go on, get. Get. Don't take my stop. Go on. Get.
Just
No.
an area. This is an area right here where it's a little scary.
Oh. Don't. I still like it, Paul. I still like this as a sell stop. I really do. Now, you could
Okay.
obviously look for the long, but I really think that that's a bona fide short there.
Bonafide
Bona
short.
fide. I mean, that should be an instant, almost instant target. And again, I'm going to do the same thing here if it backs up on me. Oh, God. It almost got me fast, too. I don't like that now. That's going to scare me. I can't do it. What the heck? What the heck was that? What in the world happened there? Well, that account is done.
What happened?
It put too many contracts.
Oh, are
Oh,
you serious?
no. Oh, no. That was a catastrophe. All right, I can't touch that account now. Ah, that's aggravating. I was close to passing that account, too. That was one of my new ones. I don't know when it decides. I still like it. I really still like this as a breakout short. I'm just saying. I mean, I know the long is setting
Yeah.
up, but if the long fails, that's still a breakout short. Still ends up being a breakout short. And it's in the plan for the day. And it's below that level. And it just wicked down. I think it was just a fake out to get people out of the shorts.
See what happens here.
I mean, there's no reason why that should have stopped going down, especially at that level. That's what I was looking at. Went through this like 6 times this morning. I looked at it on a daily. I looked at it here. I mean, there's nothing back here holding that down, holding that up. I looked at it there. I looked at it on the daily. Like, what is down here holding this up? I mean,
Nothing.
yeah. I've looked at this. I looked at that 10 times a day. I was like, this is the plan I have. And just good old fashioned price manipulation. The only reason I came up with that plan is because of that. Well, there it was. Like I said,
Yeah. Oh, you didn't
hits the
take it? I thought
target
we
too
were
if you
taking
hit
it.
it.
Yeah, it
Huh?
hit target instantly. Yeah, I just say you didn't take it? I did.
Mm-mm.
You said take the breakout. That was like instant target. It's like
Instant target too.
the minute it broke. Now I'm gonna see if I could just stay short here. Trying to get,
I think
I
you
don't want to
should
get
try to
taken
figure
out.
out how to stay short here.
Yeah, I'm gonna give this some room, I think. This will be, I might even risk like a little small loss if it comes back against me.
There shouldn't be anything holding this up now. This should be a short. I should put my sell stop in and try to stay in that one. That was my plan. Oh well, best laid plans.
Yeah. Oh.
It was a good trade.
Yeah. It's just one of those where you got to give it some room because it'll bounce up and down, bounce up and down. Man, if it breaks this right here, though, NQ's got a lot of room.
I know. I want to be in it.
It's got to get below this
I'm gonna look for a smaller
76.
tick chart short signal.
Oh, yeah, this might be one of those instances where we could do that. Pull back up to one of those levels would be nice, like even like a 26 or 77. I would take that short. Yeah, this is going to be a long now. I think we're going to reverse here.
All right. Well, we did talk about reversal patterns. I'm gonna try to give this one more shot on the
One
short
more
side.
short. One more short.
If it sets up perfect though.
I mean, you get
It
above
could.
that 54, though, you're going to have to.
We'll just be patient.
Yeah.
Hey, good job, Kira. Yeah.
In the short, trailed me out profit. Good. Good
Yeah,
job.
that was the short that I was looking for on the NQ,
Yeah,
but
that was,
I just I'm gonna sit on sidelines. I got burnt on the other trade, and I don't want to be blowing accounts up here. You give me a perfect big tick chart setup, and I'll take it. I wanted that 6E to go a little higher for the short, but it didn't get that. GC was a good short. Then it got garbage now. Nothing to do with CL right now. RTY, I think we should have probably looked at that long on RTY. And you're right, they might take it back up now. It's a little early for them to be taking it back up, though, I think. All the pent up trades from that didn't get done yesterday. I don't know.
just kind of, I don't know. You want to give it one more shot on the short side? Just,
Oh, we'd have to do it right now, huh?
yeah.
This would be like right now. Okay. Um, I think I could live with that if that feels right there. Sell stop. If it breaks S2 on the ES, they're pushing it back up. Then you have to do like a that's on the wrong account. Then you have to do like a sell stop on there on the NQ. I don't. They're just toying around. No, screw this.
Yeah.
It's a long now. I'm not doing it, Paul. That's a long now.
No.
This is how we lose money. I'm not doing this
Yeah,
anymore.
this is exactly how you lose money right here.
This is exactly how you lose
This
money.
is what now they're playing. This is the area where they start
Just
people
taking
jumping in
fill up
long,
position
jumping in
size.
short, jumping in long, jumping in short.
This is the area where Brian sits on the sideline.
That's right. Paul's going to step away for a second. He's rushing. Be right back.
Sit on the sidelines. Man, that really hurt on the one account. Stupid technology. Should have been a $400 loss, not a $1,000 loss. Oh well. That's why we have multiple accounts. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm still profitable today. I'm glad that was on an eval and not a paid account. Not a PA. Got my PAs out of the way early. That was good. It was good. Good. I mean, this the shorts there. I just can't do it in this environment right now. I mean, guess we could have kept the original sell stop in. A little volatile. A little volatile. Sit on the sidelines for the volatileness. Yeah, you're above 51 on the 2 minute ATR and for the NQ and approaching 10 on the ES. So this is what we have different instruments. Nothing going on the 6E. Can't trade GC with that kind of pattern. Negative Ghost Rider. The pattern is full. And CL is doing the same thing. So it's all junk. It's all junk right now. All junk in the trunk.
Right.
So they discovered a ship in Lake Michigan. I'm like, how? It's just now being discovered. Hey, I know Lake
Like
Michigan's
an
big,
old,
but
like an old ship, or
yeah, it was. This is hilarious. So it was built in 1864, and the ship sank twice. So after the first time it sank, do you think you'd get back? Do you think you'd get back on it?
that's like, nah, I think I'll pass.
It sank once, people. What is wrong with you?
That's like it's like the equivalent of nowadays, plane crashes and they fix it and you get back on it again.
No, I'm
I
not
don't
getting
know
back on
about
that
that.
plane.
I think I'll
What is that?
pass. I
Lack of
think I'll
Bell, man.
pass. Thank you very much.
And it sank again in 1872. Almost 10 years later. I'm like, what is wrong with you people? 8 people died. I'm like, ugh.
Fools, all of you. Bunch of fools.
I don't. It sank once. We brought it back up to the surface and refixed it, and you guys can get back. It's perfectly fine.
So where are
Promise.
we?
Don't mind that
What's
duct
that? They
tape,
use
lady.
that. What was that? What was that stuff they sell? That
Flex seal. Don't
flex
mind.
seal. Put
Don't
some
mind the
flex seal on
flex
that
seal on the
bitch.
other bow of the boat. Never mind that flex seal, people.
Flex seal. That'll hold. Don't worry about it.
Don't look at that. What is that? No, it's fine. It's fine. It's just a little tape.
We could duct tape fix anything.
They did make a
From
boat.
the south, it
Didn't
will.
the MythBusters make a boat out of duct tape at one point? I'm sure they did.
Yeah, somebody. I saw that somewhere. Somebody made a boat out of duct tape.
It worked.
Man, that GC short took
Robert
me out of my
Duvall
profit,
died,
but
huh?
should have freaking moved my target on that.
I know. I was thinking about the target on GC as well a couple minutes ago. Duct tape. Well, you know what they say
We
in the
might need to.
South: if you can't duck it,
That's right. You can't duck it.
if you can't duck it,
Duct tape fix anything in the south.
can't duck it, nuck it. It's broken for good if you can't fix it with duct tape.
A little chew tobacco and spit, put a little mud,
Uh,
duct tape.
yeah. They didn't know. They were spitting tobacco on like bee stings and stuff back in the day. They didn't know that it actually worked
Mm-hmm.
because of the
And it did work.
women's ice hockey advances. I got about an hour before I got to do this thing.
Or
About an hour. Amend, amend on duct tape. Amen on duct tape or amend, because it could now amend. That could be both ways. Like you could take that two different ways. PBR amend. I mean that would be very punny on your part. Amend duct tape. He meant amen duct tape,
amen on duct tape.
but amend is also funny as well. It's not. No, people don't know. Am I thinking of that word the wrong way? Amend. Well, this is junk, man. That oversizing on that account really bothered me because that should have been a $400 loss. I just got to pay attention, Brian. Got to pay attention. The shorts are there. I just can't take it. I can't take this fall. I mean, I should have known after that original short was all squirrely on us up there around the pivot.
Yeah.
I we should have just said, hey, look, this is gonna be one of those mornings where they just try to take your stops, and it is one of those mornings where they try to take your stops. There shouldn't have been anything holding this crap up here. And look at the small tick chart. Tell me that you've got an entry somewhere here. Tell me.
I mean, right now is not time to trade.
No.
Those trades were earlier, were clean.
Look at this
This
small tick
is
chart, man. Ever since we had the first original
They're
swings,
killing people. They're killing people long and short here. You
first original
watch.
swings. Now,
Going long, going
what I
short.
would have said though, had we been looking at this for that original short, we probably would have jumped back into it after it broke down.
Oh yeah.
But I wasn't looking at it. This is not. This is not. This is not something I want
What's
to trade.
RTY doing? CL RTY anything? No,
If it
same
if it
thing.
if it makes a nice little double bottom, I'll look at that on RTY. And it does look like it's making a double bottom ES and Q.
Mhm.
Um, and RTY all look like they're trying to make a double bottom here. Oh, I don't want to guess on a reversal though, man.
I mean, this would be the area, but
I
none of
know it
this
would be,
looks
wouldn't it?
just doesn't look like it to me. The momentum is still strong to the downside.
Yeah, it doesn't really give me a good.
Nothing has changed as far as the strength that the market's pushing down still. So
You know, it's
yeah,
weird to me. Your name should be on top, and it's not on top in the set channel.
I know, right? It's always down at the bottom. It
That's weird.
should be right underneath yours. Ah, I'm used to being second. Don't worry about it. Always the bridesmaid, never the bride. Although
That's
I
weird.
wouldn't make a very pretty bride though. Oof. Snow boots with flex tape. That probably works.
Oh,
Right?
sorry,
It
Bo.
probably would
Just
work.
seeing that. Seeing this. Just seeing this. I don't know how to fix that problem though for you, buddy. Let me see here.
Oh boy.
Bo, can you hear now? I mean, everybody else can hear us, right? You guys are all good. Let's see if he's still in here.
Yeah, you don't want to see me as the bride. That would be pretty scary.
Ugh, ugh, ugh. I don't know what to do. Don't know what to do to help Bo out.
Oh, there is nothing to do here.
It's the only thing I know to do. I'm not the tech person. Not two normal dudes, not two tech dudes. Paul says it all the time.
Not two tech dudes trading.
I mean, there's a breakout on the short on the RTY. Again, I talked about that earlier. Okay.
Well, you'd have to take it right now.
You'd have to do it right now, and it's not. I just can't. I can't. After what's happened to me this morning, after the way the price is jumping around, I can't just chase a breakout now. And breakouts out of the game plan now. No follow through on the breakout. Right. Here's my thought process. Right, Paul is no follow through on the breakout. Then now I can't take the breakout. I have to wait for
Yeah.
another trade. Um, and both ES and NQ just eked lower. The safer breakout would have been the ESs, which I should have done instead of chasing that NQ. Then I'd be down the $450 I already prescribed to be down instead of the bigger amount. But such is things. Such is things. Such are things. Suchy things. Such are things. I mean, I wouldn't mind trying to get one more trade before I have to go today.
There
I got
comes your.
45 minutes. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, gotta stretch. I didn't stretch the past couple days.
Yeah, I need to start stretching.
Hey, I was rocking out. I was trying to do like a max reps on a set of five for 225 yesterday, and got 9 on average.
That's nice.
Yeah, 5 sets of 9 on 225 bench press. So it's working. It's working. Just think about it. Remember this, Paul. Think about
Mm,
this. 2 months ago, I was just working back up to doing a set of 5 on
Yeah, it
225.
is. You are getting stronger, aren't you?
Just literally like a month and a half ago, I was like just getting back up to a set of 5 on 220. One set of 5 on 225. 5 sets of 9 yesterday. Proud of that. My joints aren't. My body, my mind is. The stupid elbow
Man,
thing
does
from
this
bowling
thing
is
want to go
becoming
long here or what?
annoying.
What do you think? What do you think on the NQ?
Oh man, it's a double bottom. Like I said, the only one that really makes sense to try to jump in would be RTY at this point. That's just a big risk. If it does break that midpoint, it's a long on NQ and ES. Then we're running into the 89 and VWAP. If you, all right, I'm gonna take the Paul trade. If you say win, I'll do it. I just, I
Problem
don't, I
is
can't, I
we
can't,
have to put our stop all the way at the bottom.
I can't buy into that one, man.
It's a long, and I would take it, but I'd have to take it in something like micro, so I could
Do it in
take that big
micros, yeah, but don't
risk.
do it in minis. If you do it, you can do it
Yeah,
in micros. I just,
yeah.
I
Because
don't do it
your
in
stop,
micros.
I mean, your stop's got to be if you go long here, as in now, go long.
Oh, you already got your targets off. There you go. That's a
There
good
you go.
call. That's not my. I can't do that in
Your
minis.
real stop was, your real
I'm not
stop was
using micros.
60, 75. So
Yeah,
460, 75.
or
That's a
even down here back
huge,
at
huge
first.
stop.
Well, yeah, you'd been at
No, your real
below
stop's got to be below that
77,
W.
below 77 was your real
Yeah.
stop. I think I'd be more inclined to look for
There
one
you
more
go.
short up
There's a
here.
winner.
It was.
Winner in micros, but a winner
You did it.
in micros.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, that was a good micro play. I mean,
I
I
wasn't going to
wouldn't.
risk that in minis.
It's a huge stop, yes. But in micros, I mean, if you did it in micros, that's a good trade. I mean, I
I
wouldn't
mean, it's a
will,
huge stop, but it wasn't so bad in micros. If
I wasn't
you could
willing.
have
Yeah,
done
I
it in
wasn't
micros.
willing to take that risk in minis, and I couldn't
I
switch to
mean, it's
micros
still
in
going to pay
time.
you.
Oh, that's a nice trade. Really nice trade. Yeah,
I did. It was
yeah,
a, it was
you
a,
did.
it was
You
a,
did
it was a double bottom setting up,
in micros
and it
though.
was a clean setup. It's just the only thing that had me scared was it's just the big risk.
In minis, but in
So,
micros, not that big of a risk.
and yeah, but in minis, minis it was a huge risk, and in
That's
micros
why I
it
didn't take
wasn't
the trade.
wasn't bad at all.
So I
I mean, it
mean,
was it was a clean setup. It was a
yeah,
legitimate
the double
long.
bottom. Yeah, the stop was at the bottom, Kira, down here. So you're right about that. That's why you did micros instead of minis.
Yeah, that's why I
It
switched
wasn't.
to mic. I it's easy for me to switch back and forth on micros because I
Oh,
use
points. Nice. Good
Joel's chart
trade.
trader.
Good trade stretch. No, I
Nice.
don't. I don't do it either. That's not out of my trade plan too. And I don't. Well, I mean, if you can't do it in micros, then don't. There's no trade at all, right?
What? Yeah, and one thing you'll learn about me, Kira, is that I
Extremely conservative.
everything for me is risk reward. I as long as I can keep a trade within about 20% of my buffer, my trailing stop, and my on my prop accounts, I'll take the trade, and that sometimes
Now,
just means switching between micros and minis.
here's a possible short.
Uh, yeah, you're at VWAP. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah, let's see here. I really needed to set up a little bit
That
more.
that 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 would be the sell stop.
Nice,
That's enough
Lulu.
run up.
Good job.
I'm happy now, building slowly. 37 today. 15 green days. Nice. Good job, Lulu. On account. Yeah, Kira. No, that's smart. You're a good trader. That's good.
If it's a small account,
First
then
target
keep,
off on the
trade
short.
trade small, 1 or 2 micros. You'd be surprised. You can make money with micros,
My
people.
target
I
here is
promise you can
53
make
goes.
money with
I should
micros.
take my stop right away. Should I lose my stop? Never mind.
I missed it because I'm in the long.
Okay. Oh, $25. I'm tempted to try to get back in it, man. Nope.
And there's
Okay.
that's your
Well,
it's
what
definitely
happened?
short.
That was it. Should have done that. I would still be in the NQ if I did it on the NQ. Dear, burr, 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 burr.
But now you're getting this area here is a
Find me an account to do that on. Yeah, there it was. That was a cleaner short. Hopefully somebody got in that and stayed in it. It wasn't. I didn't. Should have moved my stop a little bit further. Are you still in? You're not still in the long, are you?
No, no.
Okay. All right. Let's try to get one trade that we do together before I have to leave.
Okay.
Well, I like it when we're both in the trade at the same time. It makes me feel comfortable. It's it's, it's my blankie. Oh, my blankie. Do we look for a long on a smaller tick chart?
Uh, I don't know.
Good
It's
job,
tough to
Lewis.
say.
Good, Kira. That's great discipline, by the way. Great discipline, Kira. And stretch again. Great job. Stochastics look like garbage on a small tick chart, though. I'm pointing out reasons not to take a trade, by the way.
I mean, right now I don't see anything that's screaming trade
I should
this.
have I should have tried to get micros with you on that long, but at the end of the day, again, that's what I said earlier. Don't blow your account up over one freaking trade, right, Paul?
Absolutely.
Don't blow your account over. Don't risk the kitten.
It's
What is
not
it?
worth
Don't
it.
don't risk the
Be patient.
don't risk the baby and the bathwater in one trade.
Throw the baby out with the bathwater.
Although I have this as a level on the ES, we're getting oversold. It sure does look like reversal time, and I think I'd be willing to, especially if this sets up right. If this candle stays down, what do you think? Above
I think it wants to.
above the S2?
Yeah. Comes down there. That's a good
If it
area.
stays up, especially if this comes with a wick, and 900 ticks left, I'm gonna wait just a second longer for that. If it stays up, I'm game for this as a long. 400 ticks, 300 ticks, 200 ticks, 100 ticks. I like it. It's up. I'm a tick too late though. That high is 1575. I should be in at 16. What was that high? 1575 as well. Now if this candle stays up, oh, now you got one of those classic. If it breaks, this is a breakout trade, but I can't take it. It's a breakout. There's your breakout.
Whoa. Wait. Order filled
There's your
where?
breakout trade.
14. What the heck?
This is crazy.
Why
I'm
did
not
just
doing this.
what just
I'm gonna
happened?
be extremely. I'm gonna walk away with that one loss today and be happy about it, or that one account being down. It's only
What
one
the
account red, so just gonna be happy with that one. Got two short opportunities here. I don't know why I didn't do that on the NQ, man. That set up perfect. Overbought stochastics from VWAP, from the 89, from S1. I mean that. All right, that one set up perfect. It was a good short on the RTY. You hadn't had a ton of trades there, but I'm telling you, there's going to be a trade on RTY that's going to be good today. A really good one. There's going to be a runner, probably to the short side here. Although, again, like I said, I like this area down here around 15.5 on RTY. Possibly look for a long down there. I don't know if Red Wine's listening, but Red Wine 15.5 possible long on RTY. Just look for it there. And this is where the double bottom came from on the ES. Can we take a long here? Oof. What do you think, Paul?
It looks like it wants to, doesn't it?
Ah, I'll let it go without me. I'm gonna be conservative. Stochastics turn up on the R2I. Is it time to go long? Yeah. Wait for the stochastics to start to turn. Red wine. You'd like to see it a little bit lower though, around like 15.5, somewhere between like 17 and 15.5 is where you really want to see that. Make sure you're doing it in sim since you haven't traded in a long time, or micros. Make sure you're doing it in sim or micros, red wine.
This just doesn't look. Nothing here looks inviting to me.
Oh, this is where the long came from on the ES.
Yeah.
I mean, here's my sense on this. I got to go here in a little bit, so um, if I don't catch a trade in 30 minutes and I walk away with one account red today and everything else green, even though they're not huge green, I'm okay with that. I mean, I'm 700 on one, $10 on another, 200 on one, and 230 on another. So still a profitable day, huh?
Yeah. I mean, I'm doing okay. I can't.
Keeps it
I
profitable.
just got I just got burned on a phantom order or
Oh
something. Just
no!
fired off and a short and
Oh
took me out
no!
for a loss. I don't know where that came
Oh
from. I
no!
never placed that order.
Oh no!
You too?
No, I'm just saying. Oh
Oh,
no! I'm just being
I
nice
was like, I
because
I don't know what happened. I just sitting there. I heard order. It was green too. It took my count from green to red. I was like, what?
just waiting for the Kool-Aid man to bust through the wall and go, "Oh yeah."
Yeah, Macho Man.
I'm not liking this area that much. I was really excited about this area being a breakout this morning, and nothing happened the way I thought it was going to happen. So I sit on the sidelines. I sit on the sidelines.
Yeah, this is just
No, this is just
not good
wait
stuff.
for a big swing, take the trade. If you miss a trade, don't
Yeah,
chase it.
chase this, you're gonna lose money.
Wait for a swing. The only this is here's one that if you look at my screen, this is the one trade I'm aggravated with myself about. This NQ short right here that was almost a perfect short. Wicks on the top, perfect little structure, clean little area to put a sell stop in. That's a mistrade on my part. I'd have to say that's probably the only real mistrade I've had today. I couldn't stay in that one. That was silly stuff to stay in on that other one. All right. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. And for now, guys up 1262 of pops. Nice, Tom. I don't think. Are you coming back later? I don't. I'm. Today's a travel day for me. Today and tomorrow are travel days for me. I'm hopping around. I gotta go to a couple different places, so you'll have me in the mornings. But are you gonna be around, Paul? Later?
Later,
Gonna
yeah. I
be
mean,
my trader
I'll
later,
be
Tater?
around. I mean, I don't know that
Trader
I'll.
later, Tater?
Depends on what the market is. I mean, what I'll do is I'll just throw some charts up and leave them up. But
Okay, Tom.
I mean, don't expect me to be in. I mean, I may or may not.
Watch, this is gonna be the breakout now. And it broke at that same freaking level that I wanted to sell from too. Right there. Same I bet that's the same level in the ES. Yeah, exact same level in the ES as well. Now is where they take it. They had to screw with retail first, and now they're gonna take it down. Had to screw with retail. And now I'm getting more irritated because that was my mistrade. And based on the way I manage my stops, there's no way in Hades I'd be out of that trade, right?
Good trade. It's a good entry.
It would have been.
Clean.
I'm just looking at this. Anybody wants to learn the trades I like? You saw me get in the ES. I like that one, but it came back and grabbed my stop. The NQ would have never come back and grabbed your stop. Um, these are the things I like. These little structures. Um, I like to get in trades like that. Overbought stochastics, especially when there's stuff up here like VWAP for the ES. I mean, pivot level VWAP and 89 on the NQ. That's almost. I would call that an A plus trade actually. That's an A plus trade.
Yeah, that's a good. That's a good. I
That's an
mean,
A
in
plus setup.
hindsight, it is.
I didn't take the trade, so it's not a trade. It's A plus setup. Well, I can't take the breakout, but it's coming, Paul. I don't have an account that I want to do it on.
I
I wish
don't
I had
either.
those.
It's the
I need to
problem.
set up those three goat
Yeah.
goat accounts. Guess I'll do that tonight when I get in my hotel. Yeah, I'll set up my goat accounts tonight when I get in the hotel. I'm telling you, the short's there. Should should I'm really kicking myself for not getting out of that trade now. That setup was perfect. Do
There's
we
the
try it?
breakout.
Do we try it?
See
Do we
ya.
try it? Do we try it?
See ya.
Are you in it?
You got to take it. Yeah, you got to take it quick.
The short?
The breakout of the down below.
It
Yeah.
was already, yeah. Any kind of rally up would be nice. Like some kind of rally up here. Oh, yes, might be doing something a little bit better than that's a little tiny structure there. Do I want to risk as low as 91.25? So you'd be at 91. Um, I just don't know if I can do this after the first one. The failed first time.
Yeah.
I can't. I I know it's a short, and I just can't. I can't
Hard to press that button.
I can't logically keep my trade in there. I missed my shorts on the rallies, which is what I wanted. Well, I didn't miss the ES, but couldn't stay in the ES. I really wanted that short on the NQ, and I'd be out of that short on the NQ now because it would have met my profit. Okay, all right, we get a little rally here. Now I can look forward to this. Now I can look at this. Come on, give me a little rally. This has got to be screwing with retail people everywhere.
Oh,
People are
this is
getting their
killing people. I
asses handed
guarantee
to
you
them.
people are losing
They're
their
getting their
money.
asses handed to them right
Guarantee
now.
you they're getting
Come
torqued.
to two normal dudes trading people. You're outside your mind if you don't want to trade like us because we are conservative and make money trading. I don't know what else to say. This is people are getting their butts handed to them in this market right now. Guaranteed. Dave, I hope you're still sitting on the sideline. Mr. McCoy, paging Mr. McCoy. Is he gone? He left.
Probably smart. Not trading this.
Good for him. Smart guy. I don't see him in the list. No. People are literally getting their butts handed to them in this crap.
Oh, I guarantee you people are losing money. Guaranteed. And they won't listen. They'll keep trading too.
They're not gonna do it. They're not gonna do it the right way. And again, that's a smaller tick chart sell signal, but I can't pull myself to do this. Here's the thing, Paul, and I think we agree. This is in our trade plan that we have together. Is we miss a trade, we don't chase it, and
No.
um, and that would have been chasing for me to put a sell stop and leave it there, and it's just a missed trade. You got to move on. all there is to it. Just a missed trade. I'm smart. All right, red wine. If you're looking for your trade, it might be starting to come up here in a minute. Hey, you just said that. Good job. Way to go, red wine. You're going to be getting your trade here in just a minute. Make sure you're doing it in sim or micros since you've been out of the game for a while. Yes, sir. Only for you, buddy. Only for you. Yeah, it's getting down to that level I like. 15.5. 15.5 on RTY. Just make sure it sets up right. Make sure you get the hook and stochastics the whole 9 yards. Even if you're a little late on that one, I don't think it'll matter. Just make sure to manage your stop right. Keep it below the swing. I know this is short. I just can't get in it, Paul. I don't.
No,
I mean,
I'm staying
what do
out
you
of this. I'm not
camp on
gonna.
the A? I mean, it's almost at that point where I just say I'm done for the day and move on to tomorrow.
It's just not worth taking a
Yeah, am I
chance.
gonna get something in 20 minutes that's gonna like be earth shattering for me? What do you think?
I mean, it's hard to tell. It doesn't look like it's gonna do anything, but
I'm not taking a breakout. I don't care if it starts running. I don't care if it runs 100 points on the ES. I'm not taking a breakout. Or I don't care if it runs 400 points on the NQ. Not taking a breakout. Once bitten, twice shy, buddy. Now you get that Polly Shore thing, buddy,
buddy,
buddy. I would entertain this RTY with red wine here.
red wine's money.
But actually, I I said earlier that I wanted to get the swing on the RTY, and it's starting to happen. This is a valid, strong level. RTY is not too heavy to kill me risk wise. It's got to set up here in the next minute or two, or else guess who starts packing this shit up?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a break at 11 for sure. So
Well, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you guys make it okay with Paul this afternoon. I know you're gonna miss me, but I'm just joking, Paul.
I mean, if this market doesn't change,
You'll be taking a break the rest of the day.
yeah, it's gonna be an extended break.
I knew I wanted to try 6E short, but nothing set up right. Gold, nothing. CL, I knew I wanted to short that. No, I mean the original short was a good idea. I guess you could have looked at another short on CL. I don't know. Here's the MGC. Who has the kahunas to trade this? Not me, sir. Misa Jaja Binks.